So here we are, and we are told that these are similar figures. Now remember, and this is a common mistake of a lot of students, we said that there's two things you want to look at when it comes to this idea of similar figures. One is the fact that they have to be the same shape. Are these the same shape? The reality is they're both rectangles. They are the same shape. They're just different orientations. In other words, one of our triangles is sitting on its long side and the other one is sitting on its short side. So when we talk about corresponding sides, you want to make sure that your corresponding sides are actually matching, okay? So, in other words, if we're talking about the long side of A over the short side of A has to be the same as the long side of B over the short side of B, then you want to make sure that you are choosing the right measurements for the right sides, okay? So let's look at the long side of A. The long side of A is 7, and the short side of A is 3. That ratio must be equal to the long side of B. The long side of B is X. It is X, okay? And the short side of B is 12. Now, we can go ahead, look at what you have. You have two fractions that are equal to one another. So we can apply our cross multiplication. You're going to keep your equal sign, once again, and the product of your diagonals. So you have 3 times x, that's your first diagonal, or first product. And that's going to be equal to the product of the second diagonal, 7 times 12. Now, maybe you might be asking, do I have to do 3x on the left and the other one on the right? No. Once you have the correct products and the correct pairing of your numbers in your diagonal, then you can put it on either side, okay? So now we can go ahead and simplify this as much as we possibly can. So 3x stays the same for now, but the 12 times 7 can be changed to 84 because 12 sevens are 84. Next, we want to, of course, solve for x, our unknown side. So we divide by 3 on both sides because we're trying to get rid of it. And we end up with 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times x is x, and that is equal to 84 divided by 3, which is 28. So our missing measurement is 28.